Okay, this room is very, very special. This is the lab dip room. A lot of you guys probably never seen a lab dip room like this before, but what happens is that there's certain fabrics and blends. So let's say this might be like a 95-5 blend. This might be a 70-30 blend. This might be a 60 or 35-44, different blends of fabrics. So when the customer says, hey, I want to see a 70-30 red TPX number, blah blah blah, they'll come to the 70-30 pile and pull out the fabric here. Or if it's a 95-5 jersey, they'll look, or a 2x2, or a 1x1, or a 2x2 70-30, they'll come to this and they'll grab out a swatch. So, yeah, 32 single. So everything's labeled. Yeah, 21 single jersey. Because we want to make sure we're dyeing on the same exact fabric that the customer's ordered, right? It doesn't do any good to dye a different blend because it's not going to come out the same. So then what we do is this is actually mixing the colors. It'll sit here. That's probably a customer's number 8, another customer 7, another customer 16, another customer 24. So this is actually mixing the color. They've already computed in the color. It's mixing the color that the customer wants. It's all computerized. This is another one over here, mixing the color. Mixing all the colors. So this isn't the fabric yet in there. This is just almost like a cocktail, to make sure we get the right color. And it's just shaking it and stirring it. And this is basically, we're going to use this small dye to dye on that piece of fabric that you just saw. And then we'll end up coming out with a lab dip. These are more colors that they pick. You can see there's all these colors. We use these colors to make the customer's colors right here. You can see the number, like number 1 through 12, so we don't get anything mixed up. Then it goes into, take that fabric, and it goes into these small little dye machines. And that's basically the small version of what we saw out there is the big versions. So this is, you can see, there's number 13. There's some other ones in there that have already been kind of washed. They're clean. So you can, little small dye machines, you put like 4 in here at a time. Some more, there's some more in here already. They go in for a certain amount of time. I don't know if you can see below, but that's the big dye house down there. You can see it from here. So once we get the color approved, then we go into, customer approves it, then we go into the big dye house and dye up the big yardage. But this room is a very important room because the colors have to be exact. You guys know that there's a lot of special colors out there. Okay, so it gives you a good chance to see what's going on in a real big lab dip facility.